Hello there. We will learn how to uninstall or remove any unwanted updates in Windows 11 easily. Go to Start, right-click, and then Settings. Click on Windows Update, then Update History. Come to Uninstall Updates. Here you can see all the updates your Windows 11 PC received. When you click on them, some has uninstall feature but some don't. It means you cannot uninstall each and every update. Now select the one you want to remove, and finally uninstall. But I am not willing to do it, and yours may take 1 or 2 minutes to be done uninstalling the update. This is how you can easily uninstall any unwanted or faulty update on Windows 11 easily. Please like the video and let us know your query on the comment box. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.